I have a GEAC window unit that as soon as I plus it in it beeps and won't stay turned on.
What's the brand and model of your air conditioner? How old is it?
GE Model AHC08LYW1 and 1 year old.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
GE General Electric. You don't replace the air filter. I washed it and let it dry before I replaced it.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since this morning when I put it in. I checked the breaker and fuses and they were fine.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Please read entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Vay, got over 10 years in the trade, and I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want that service. Please bear with my responses, I may be actively working on the job site also. There may be a slight delay in between our messages. Hi, I hope you are doing well today. Do you get any error codes or anything like that? Do all the lights flash?
Hi Tamar. If I don't respond right away, it's because I just left my house to get food. Lol. Too hot to cook. So take your time responding. I don't get error messages. All the lights flash when it beeps.
No problem. How old is the unit?
1 year old.
The problem with GE. They always break after the 1-year warranty. What you are describing is a sort of universal error code. It could be an issue with the board, a bad capacitor, or a voltage issue. GE doesn't specify which. The beep plus all lights flashing basically just means something is wrong. If you have a multimeter, you can systematically check and eliminate some things, and I can advise you on what to check. Just let me know how far you want to go with it. Of course, before doing anything, make sure to try a different outlet.
I did try another outlet. It did the same thing. I think I may just get another AC unit. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. That would be the best bet. It's better than sinking money into a window shaker. Hope that I was helpful, courteous and kind. If you don't mind, please take a few seconds of your time and remember to rate the question positively with the stars on the top left. There should be an option that says something along the lines of finish and rate your expert. Completing the rating credits me for answering you, but it does not close the question. You can ask follow questions after rating my services in the same box free of charge with no time constraints. Thanks and have a blessed and safe day, Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.